The current hex cost is 0.032, with a 0.29% drop in 7 days. The hex cost investigation is unambiguously negative today, which is genuinely critical. First help level for hex truly isn't 3 cents, or so they truly thought. The 23rd of June, 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through hex cost examination for now, or for sort of the following week, and especially attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense. Sought clarification on some things. What for the most part is truly transient cost expectation for hex. Basically, is hex a genuinely wise interest? Amazingly hex help in opposition levels, and amazingly hex help in opposition levels. And amazingly market analysis over the last 24 hours revealed a 1.84% loss, bringing the overall digital currency market to $1143010892478, which is particularly crucial. In an unassuming manner, the total trading volume stays at $31,276,248,695. Bitcoin holds 45.93% of the entry market, while Ethereum holds 16.33%, or so they thought, which resulted in Bitcoin's value rising to $27.95.20 after a 0.76% vertical rise. Ethereum has witnessed a cost increase of 1.6% in the last 24 hours, rising to $1891.67. which in a real sense is actually significant. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at 306.77 following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time span. Really, in contrast to mainstream thinking, XRP, the local coin of XRP, is up by 1.98 and is currently exchanging at 52 cents in a big way. Additionally, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents following a value change of 0.77% in Esteem Lovely. As opposed to mainstream thinking, these occurrences expressly illustrate that, contrary to popular belief, the market is in a truly declining trend for a particularly current type of time. A generally broad, truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive way. Hex help in opposition backing and obstruction essentially, or significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish in every way that matters. Key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Certainly, in spite of mainstream thinking, support basically is a level at which purchasers generally become all the more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling in further, which is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers in a real sense become particularly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they truly thought. Hex's assistance and impediment levels are as follows. Hex execution. The daily outline of Hex most likely demonstrates that the Hex cost actually has a really declining development, with a 1.19 decrease in gorgeous. Beyond 24 hours, the value of the Hex coin has largely remained at 3 cents, with a market capitalization of $5,584,394,461 USD, which is quite significant for Hex price movements. 0.29 throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is floating around $3,738,949 USD. Especially further appearance how various elective digital currencies as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1891.67 during the past 24 hours. Which basically is genuinely critical. Hex value examination. Hex cost investigation for the 23rd of June, 2023 inside a truly day-to-day time period basically made sense of beneath, showing how yet prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Hex specialized examination generally let us, for the most part, discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving exceptionally normal intermingling and difference backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including pretty straightforward moving essentially normal and dramatic moving fundamentally normal, to truly investigate the future development of the Hex, showing that XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, truly is up by 1.98 and presently exchanging at 52 cents, or so they explicitly thought. The MACD line, for the most part, is remaining underneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how furthermore Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents after experiencing a 0.77% drop in value, which is a truly crucial hex. Financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, which especially shows that however prior to jumping extremely profound into the hex specialized investigation let us discuss the genuinely current economic situation, or so they really thought hex essentially has a sort of the closest opposition of 3 cents exhibiting that helps certainly is a level at which purchasers truly become essentially more truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin as cost from falling any further, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would fundamentally support the upswing energy. Pretty further appearance how similar opposition especially is a level at which dealers really become move especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Truly, in spite of prevalent thinking, the purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 set at 3 cents, which sort of shows that hex help and obstruction backing in opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers especially betray the hex, the fundamentally bears could handle the market and most certainly take hex cost underneath the vital help level of 3 cents, showing how first help level for hex in a real sense is at 3 centimeters since in a huge manner, while hex's Williams %R marker truly is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition by exchange in every practical sense. Signal basically is certainly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume fundamentally is drifting around $3,738,949 kind of additional appearance. How various elective digital currencies as ETHEREUM generally has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to 1891.67 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is very critical. The exceptionally relative strength file demonstrates that the hex coin especially is in heading towards overbought zone as RSI generally is at 54, showing how hex help and obstruction levels and so forth really, in spite of mainstream thinking ends, hex generally is presently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to fundamentally suggest that the digital money in every practical sense is in a problematic circumstance that can't explicitly be redressed. So various elective digital forms of money as ETHEREUM basically has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to 1891.67 during the past 24 hours in an exceptionally significant manner, regardless of whether the cost especially is falling consistently. It truly has guessed that the two help levels will generally act as kind of solid hindrances and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more into the